Just bring them one on top another or the other. Fold inward like a cigar. You roll them. Finally slice them. Roll them back again. As you slice this, the enzyme is released. This fills the room with strong sense of basil. Okay, remember when you slice this, work with it faster. You are cutting into the enzyme. Once exposed too long at room temperature, you won't get much nutrient out of it. Chop closer to cooking. Secure them, roll one on top of another, and anchor them to the cutting board. Continue to slice, rocking motion. Alright, as you shift, as you move, you adjust, stop slicing.